everybody and welcome to the first episode of The Green Pill. This is just going to be a little introduction from me just to talk to you about what this channel's about. For those of you that don't know, my name's Barton, I'm 32 and I'm a medical cannabis patient. I medicate using cannabis and lots of other different herbs because I have quite severe chronic neuropathic pain, fibromyalgia, diagnosed after a stroke in my 20s. I've had quite a journey in that I have been on a significant amount of opiates throughout my chronic pain career and I've managed to come off all of them with plant medicine, and that's something that I'm really proud of. Upon, sort of throughout this journey, I met a fantastic organisation of which I am now Deputy Director of, the United Patients Alliance, and we do some fantastic work supporting patients in the UK who currently are consuming medical cannabis for medical reasons, and we have been at the forefront of the recent legalisation changes. So I am carrying on with that work, but on the back of some of the press coverage that we've received and some of the press coverage that I received in being the first person to be prescribed a medical cannabis product since the changes to the law, I've been getting quite inundated with messages from people in a really similar situation to what I was in, a couple of years ago, and that is it's welcome because I really want to do something to help, but it's also quite difficult to keep up with, and my inbox is sort of collapsing under the weight of everybody, and I'm struggling to try and find ways in which I can help people and advise people. So I thought that this channel would be a really good idea, just so that I can share some things that help me. So we can talk about cannabis, we can talk about other plant medicines, we can talk about herbs and supplements, how I've managed to be and manage the way that I do, how I've managed to build up my wellness, things about diet and meditation, and all things that sort of make up the bigger picture in terms of wellness, and that's something that I really want to help share. So I thought this would be a really good opportunity to do that. So coming up on the channel, we're going to talk about all of those things I've just spoken about. We're also going to do some demonstrations, so I'm going to show you how to make some oils, some tinctures. I'm going to show you tips and tricks, how to maximise the effectiveness of your medicine, how to use diet to build up some strength and stamina, and some tips on, if you are coming off opiates, how to go about and how to make that process easier for you as well, and easier for the rest of your community and your extended family. But we're also going to get some really cool people on the show to talk to us about things that have helped them, about their situation, really interesting people that are in the community of sort of helping and wellness, but also patients that have been through similar things as to what you might be going through now. So more importantly, I guess the Green Pill is more about choice, really. It's about really embracing the choice that you make to sort of become well, to empower yourself and to empower others to follow a similar path, and to not remain in sort of Western medicine puts us us patients in a very passive relationship with our medical professionals, and all this channel is about embracing your inner power and your inner desire to be well, and using some tools and finding out what works for you, and making a choice to make things better for yourself. So that's what this is about. So please keep an eye on this channel. Please subscribe, like, whatever all of the kids do now on YouTube. I'm a little bit old and past it. But yeah, so please stay with me. I'll be bringing you lots of different videos on all different types of things, and hopefully between us we can work out what it is that you want and need, and I can take some requests too. So that's all from me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Mwah, peace out.